afternoon, students. Standard third. Subject EVS. So children, today in EVS we are going to learn chapter number 5, Understanding Time. Now children, time is divided into 3 parts: past, present, future. Time has 3 parts: today showing present, yesterday showing past, and tomorrow showing future. Now observe this carefully, children. This is a statue, coins, old coins, and shades of pottery. Shades of pottery. Now, how does this help us to understand time? Let's see. Do you know? It is important to understand time for studying history. Time is important for us to, while we are studying history of our country or any other place. Now sometimes old statues, coins, shards of pottery, etc. are found while digging the foundation of a building. Now children, these things are studied carefully. Through these studies, we come to know about the period of time to which they belong. So with the help of the old coins, statues and shards of pottery, we can come to know the time period. Now the question is, how do we measure time? A water clock, an hourglass, a calendar. Now with the help of all these things, we can measure time. Time is divided into many parts to understand and measure it, like seconds, minutes, hours, day, night, fortnight, month, year. Do you know? In the 14th century, the hourglass came into use in Europe. Now, an hourglass is consisted of 2 connected glass vessels fitted in a wooden frame. Dry fine sand was poured into one of the vessels. Now in this picture you can see an hourglass. 2 glass vessels are fitted in a wooden frame, and you can see the sand over here, dry sand. Now children, try this. This is an activity which you have to try. Now stick photographs of yourself from the past and present in the frames below. In the frame of the future, Draw a picture of what you will look like in 20 years. Now in the first frame, you are going to take the picture of your past. I was like this when I was a baby. So you must be having the picture when you were a baby. Stick over here. Present, now I am like this. So present picture you will stick over here. And in future you are going to draw. I will be like this after 20 years. Imaginary drawing. Thank you, children.